Hello and welcome back to our last word building video for this week. Okay, so they've all been posted so far. You should be able to view them. And again, this is your last video for this week. All of this week we've been focusing on that short A sound. This is again a review. We have learned this back in the classroom, so this is nothing new. We know that short A goes ah. Okay, for this video, we're going to be focusing on the am ending, that am word family. We've practiced this in the classroom, so this is nothing new again. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to get started with the am word building or word family as we begin our word building for today. So the first word, we'll start out doing a few together and then I'll let you go ahead and build on your own. So the first word I would like us to use is Pam. Let's go ahead and build it together. P. We have the word Pam. Am. Now this is very similar to the an video if you watched that one earlier this week. Okay, we do not sound these letters out individually. They go together, so it's p, am. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. Okay, let's stretch it out and blend. Am. Okay, again, you're not going these go together and make the am ending. All right, this is all the am word family. So let's try it again. Am. Good. Let's try another. Let's stretch this one out. Am. Good. The word is tam. Let's do one more together and then I'll let you build on your own. Y. Am. Yam. Good. Now let's go ahead. I'm going to give you some words and I want you to try to build them on your own. Remember, you can write them down. If you have letters, you can use your letters, or you can try to spell them aloud. The first word I want you to go ahead and build is Sam. I'll say it again for you. Sam. Okay, so you've had some time to build the word Sam. Let's work through this together. What is the beginning sound you hear in Sam? S. Good, that is correct. The next sound, remember we're working on the am ending. So let's go ahead and put those letters on there. And we have the word Sam. Good. Let's try another. The word I want you to build is ham. I'll say it again for you. Ham. Think of that beginning sound. All right, you've had some time here, so let's go ahead and build the word ham. What is the beginning sound you hear in ham? H. That is correct. And let's throw on our am ending, the am. And we have the word ham. Good. Let's do one more. The word I want you to build is jam. Jam. Now think I know some of you are thinking of 2 different letters for that beginning sound. Make sure you have the right one. We've practiced this word before. Jam. I'll go ahead and build it with you.
J. J.
J. Am.
A. A. M.
You have the word jam. Good. All right, friends, this is the last video for this week. Again, you can go back and view any of the videos that you would like, and stay tuned. I'll be posting new videos next week for short I. Thanks. I'll see you guys later. Bye.